I I am at Center Island. I've not been here in quite a long time, a number of years, and I mean, my daughter is 17, and I've not been here for that long, and even maybe a couple of years. So today, for me, is a sweet adventure. It is partly healing to be out in the open like this, and look how beautiful it is. Partly healing for me, definitely expanding my creativity. And I say that to say, starting on the 3rd of August next month, then the 17th and the 31st, Try Paper Play will be having workshops. And this is an opportunity for ladies who just want to slow down just a bit, right? You want to slow down, attend these workshops. You can attend one or all. The information is online. I'm looking forward to seeing many of you. Bring a friend and spread the fun, and find out about that 15% discount. These are wonderful opportunities. Ladies, some of you, many of you will know what I mean. You need to find time for yourselves. We need to be able to have a space where we can connect with like-minded individuals. So many of us women are going through so many things in our lives, whether we're providing caregiving support for our elderly family members. Maybe you have a job that's very stressful, children that's making you pull your hair out, a hubby that's doing almost the same, or maybe you're a single gal like myself and just finding that opportunity where you can say, you know what, man or no man, I'm worth it. And so listen up, ladies, this is for you. August the 3rd, 17th, and the 31st, there will be 2 separate sessions. The information I am providing, and I will continue to provide because I'm looking to fill the seats, and I'm seeking your support. This is a wonderful opportunity. We don't have events such as this in Scarborough on a regular basis. So for those of you living in Scarborough, those of you who you're thinking, try Paper Play, what's that? It's exactly that. You're invited to try Paper Play and find out how amazing this therapeutic process can be. Similar to if you're painting or, writing, songwriting or cooking. Yes. So here I am out in the open, enjoying this beautiful place. Look at all the people over here. I had such a fabulous time. I ate. I brought stuff with me to create, but rather I was researching because there's so much I have in store for Try Paper Play's workshop. So you all need to come out because a lot of work is going into this, and we need it, ladies. You need this. And so I'm going to be providing this. I'm so excited. All thanks to my wonderful space. And you're going to find out more about that because there's a lot in store. Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to seeing you the 3rd, the 17th, or the 31st, or all of them. You can come as many times because we're going to be trying Paper Play. And every time that we get together, it will not be the same. We will have healing, creativity, an opportunity to connect with other ladies. This is an opportunity for your creating. But not only that, we're going to be motivating, encouraging, and just encouraging one another because we need it. Anyways, I am so excited. I'm going to go back and join the crew. Yes. And I did not say, but I'm out today with my church, the Smyrna Seventh-day Adventist Church, located at 85 York Mills Road. Take care, guys. Bye. Go on and try Paper Play. Check out my YouTube, please. Try Paper Play. And Etsy, of course, Try Paper Play journals. And if you want a little bit of motivation, we all do. Aisha Motivates. All on YouTube. Check it out. Take care. Love ya. Bye.